Hello, once again you're welcome to another segment of Maths with Uncle Tony. In this segment, we'll be looking on how to solve something interesting. Well, what is that thing? Changing Hindu Arabic numerals to Roman numerals. Children find it difficult or confusing to change numbers to Roman numerals. But in this video, I will simplify it as easy as possible. Follow me as I take you along. Okay, in changing numbers to Roman numerals, the first one is 1. And in Roman numerals is represented as I. Just a single I. So our answer is just I for 1. And for 2, it is the same thing as I. You keep repeating this I, but no more than 3 times. Okay? So what my 2 is I. And my 3 is I. Beautiful. I. This is my 3. But when you reach to 4, there's a little or slight changes. But I will not solve 4. I want to get 5 so that you have a clearer understanding. And what is my 5? My 5 is V. So my 4 will be IV. My 4 is IV. Why? Simple, because whenever a smaller Roman numeral is placed at the left-hand side, it is subtraction. I is smaller than V because V is 5 and I is 1. So I is placed at my right-hand side, at my left-hand side, which means or signifies subtraction. So it is represented as 5, take away 1, it will give us 4. Okay, same goes to 6. My 6 will be VI. Why is I placed in front of V? Simple, because it's placed at the right-hand side. Placing the smaller Roman numerals at the right-hand side signifies addition, meaning that we have 5 plus 1, which will give us 6. The next number is 7. Remember what I told you? You can repeat your I, but no more than 3 times. So we have V as my 5. This is 6. 7. I repeated I twice, signifying 7, which is 5 plus 2, which will give me 7. This is my 7. For 8, I can still have the chance of repeating this I 3 times. Okay, this is my 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. That is 5 plus 3 will give us 8. What is 9? I won't solve 9 for now so that we get how we used to manipulate it. For 10 is X. My 10 is X. So therefore, to get our 9, remember what I told you. When a smaller Roman numeral is placed at the left-hand side, it signifies subtraction. But whenever that smaller Roman numeral is placed at the right-hand side, it signifies addition. So, I'm going to have my IX. My IX is written like this, which is 10. Take away 1. It will give us 9. Okay. Let's go over to this side. We have 11. 11 will be written as, this is 10. 11 means 10 and 1. What is my 10? Is X. And what is my 1? Is I. Good. So what is my 12? What will be my 12? Remember I said you can repeat this I not more than 3 times. So think. I want you to try some of them. So I'm not going to solve number 12, 13, 14. It's very easy because 10 and 2. You know what to do it? 10 and 3. And we have some of the ideas on how to combine them. 10 and 4. Okay, let me do 15, which is 10 and 5. What is my 10? Is X. And what is my 5? I can easily trace my 5 here, which is V. Remember, 10 is bigger than 5 because 5 is placed in front or at the right-hand side. It signifies addition. Let me also put it here. 10 plus 5, it will give me 15. Okay, my 16, you can still do it. You know how to manipulate it. 17, you can still do it. 18, you can still do it. Okay, but before I solve number 19, let me solve number 20 so they can get, how to manipulate it as well. 20 is written as X, which is 210. 10 plus 10 will give me 20. Now, my 19 will be, remember, is 10 and 9. My 10 is X. My 9 is IX. Wow. This is my 9. IX. Beautiful. So my 30, remember you can repeat this x, but not more than 3 times. Not more than 3 times. Please take note. Okay, what is my 40 and what is my 50? Before I solve for 40, please let's solve 50. My 50 is written as L. And to get 40, remember, don't forget this golden rule. Whenever a smaller Roman numeral is placed behind a bigger one, it is subtraction. But whenever that smaller Roman numeral is placed in front, it signifies addition, or at the right hand side. Okay, so my 50 is L. What will I take away from 50 that will give me 40? What will I take away from 50 that will give me 40? I bet you it's 10. So where will I place it? Is it at the right hand side or at the left hand side? If I place it at the right hand side, it means addition. But if I place it at the left hand side, it signifies subtraction. So I place it here, meaning that I'm subtracting 10 from 50. That is 40. So you can try 60, you can try 70, you can try 80. Okay, let me try 90. What is my 90? But before I solve 90, let me solve 100 so that you see how to manipulate the next number before 100. My 100 is C. Okay, what is 90? What will I take away from 100 that will give me 90? What is that thing? Okay, let me write my 100 first. Okay, what is that thing that will take away from 100 that will give me 90? Okay, I've seen it. I can take away 10 away from 100, which means I'll place it at my left hand side, which signifies subtraction. Okay, looking at it, I've skipped some. I've skipped 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 30, 60, 70, 80. Please try as much as possible to solve it on your own and send in your answer in our comment section. Please don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. I bet you will not regret it. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.